Hey there, today I'm going to teach you how to create a step that is a template. So after you went over the ICP pitch and you arrive into the touch points of the campaign, you're going to have the option to add a new step. You click there and then you can select if the step should be an email or a LinkedIn. Both of them have the option to create the step that it's a message based on a template. So let's use email. Let's choose the template version. And as you can see, it will start with a template. What you can always do is edit it. So for example, if you don't like something, you can delete it. And you can always add anything that you would like. So if you see here, there's a merge tag that you can use. It can be from the recipient or from the sender. So for example, let's put my name, sender first name, and it's gonna be after the best regards. And all the things that you want to change, you can do it. Let's say, for example, you delete something that you didn't want. Make sure to use the undo button arrow, and then here you can see it's back. After you're done, you're ready to move to the next step. Basically, you can create a new step and continue this way the workflow. Hope this helps. See you in the next video.